Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about JEE Mains 2024 ellipse questions. I am going to explain question by question in different videos, dear students. Let us have a discussion. The question here. Let the line 2x plus 3y minus k equal to 0, where k is greater than 0, intersect x-axis and y-axis at the point A and B if the equation of the circle having the line segment AB as diameter of the given circle x square plus y square minus 3x minus 2y equal to 0 and the length of lattice rectum of the ellipse x square plus 9y square equal to k square is m by n, where m and n are co-primes, then the value of 2m plus n is. To solve this type of problems, first we need to understand twice or thrice you read the question thoroughly, dear students. If the line intersecting x-axis and y-axis, see here the line, what is that line is given? 2x plus 3y minus k equal to 0. This line intersect x-axis. Whenever it intersect x-axis, on x-axis y coordinate is 0, then y equal to 0. So whenever y value is 0 in this, it will becomes 2x is equal to k will come, k equal to k by 2. So x value, y value we got it. The point A will becomes k by 2 comma 0. Are you able to understand, your students? X value, y value we got it. A point indirectly a of x1 y1 k by 2 comma 0. Similarly, this line intersect y axis. Then on y axis x equal to 0. Whenever x equal to 0 in this, 3y equal to k will come. So y is equal to k by 3. So x value, y value indirectly, B point we got it. So 0 comma k by 3. This is x2, this is y3, y2. We know that the equation of circle having the line segment AB as a diameter, the equation of circle whose diameter is AB. Diameter is AB line segment. Is, you write the formula, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. The respective values substitute in this. X minus x1 value is k by 2 into x minus x2 value 0. Here, dear students, plus y minus y1 value 0, y minus k by 3 equal to 0. Now simplify, x into x square minus k by 2x plus y into y square minus k by 3y equal to 0. This also we can write it as x square plus y square minus k by 2x minus k by 3y equal to 0. This is the equation of circle. This equation of the circle you have to compare with the given equation of the circle. X square plus y square minus 3x minus 2y equal to 0. By comparing x and y coefficients in this equation, by comparing minus k by 2 is equal to minus 3. So k is equal to 6. Either x coefficient or y coefficient, you will get the same answer, dear students. So after getting the value of k, you come to the ellipse equation. The given equation of the ellipse is x square plus 9y square equal to k square. What is k value? We got it. 6. Substitute in this. X square plus 9y square equal to 36. Dividing throughout with x square 36. X square by 36 plus 9y square by 36 means y square by 4 will come. 9 ones are 9 fours are, which is equal to 36 by 36. This equation compared with x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So a square equal to 36, b square equal to 4. So a equal to 6, b equal to 2. From this observation, a is greater than b. Whenever a is greater than b, length of lattice rectum LLR is equal to 2b square by a. This length of lattice rectum is given as here m by n. This is equal to m by n, dear students. That implies 2 into b square value 4, a value is 6, is equal to m by n. That implies that 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 4 by 3 is equal to m by n. 4 comma 3 we got it, m and n are co-prime. So 4 comma 3. Therefore m equal to 4, n equal to 3. They are asking to find the value of 2m plus n. So 2m plus n is equal to, so 2 into m value 4 plus n value 3, 8 plus 3 which is equal to 11, which is there in the second option, dear students. Thank you, dear students. We'll move to the next question. The next question. Let f of x equal to x square plus 9, g of x equal to x by x minus 9 and a equal to f circle g of 10, b equal to g circle f of 3. If E and L denote the eccentricity and the length of lattice rectum of the ellipse x square by a plus y square by b equal to 1, then 8e square plus L square equal to. See the question here, the question is not directly from the ellipse. It is asking from functions as well as ellipse. So first we need to calculate the value of a and b. A is equal to f circle g of 10. F circle g of 10 means f of g of 10. So f of g of 10 means g of x value, we know that here. Wherever x is there, 10 replace. 10 by 10 minus 9. 10 by 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. So 10 by 1 is 10. F of 10, x is equal to 10, substitute. 10 square plus 9. So 100 plus 9, 109. So a value equal to 109. So similarly, b equal to g circle f of 10. So 3. So that is equal to g of f of 3. So g of f of 3, x is equal to 3, substitute. 3 square, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So g of 18, in place of x substitute 18. 18 by 18 minus 9. 18 by 9 will come. So 18 by 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. So 18 by 9 is what? 2. So therefore, after getting a and b values, the equation of ellipse will become x square by a value 109 plus y square by b value equal to 2. This is the equation of ellipse. For this equation, you need to calculate eccentricity E and the lattice rectum L. So eccentricity E equal to root over, according to this equation I am writing, dear students, a square. Clearly a is equal to 109 here according to this. So that means b is equal to 2. Clearly a is greater than b. So root over a minus b by a. According to this equation only I am saying, dear students, x square. The equation of ellipse is x square by a minus plus y square by b equal to 1. For this eccentricity I am writing. So root over 109 minus 2 divided by 109, which is equal to 107 divided by root 109. This is the value of E. Okay, now lattice rectum L equal to, for this equation only lattice rectum 2b square by a. So 2b square means here b, a means root a. We can write it. So that is equal to 2 into b square means the value is 2. Root a means root 109. A value is 109 students. So therefore, 4 by root 109 is equal to L. Now the question is 8 e square plus L square. Therefore, 8 e square plus L square equal to 8 into e square. Therefore, whenever you do the square, root 107 divided by root 109 whole square plus L square. 4 by root 109 whole square, which is equal to 8 into 107 divided by 109 plus 4 square, 16 divided by 109, which is equal to 856 divided by 109 plus 16 divided by 109. So you can add both, you will get 872 divided by 109. How many times is going to divide with 109? 9, 8 times. 8 9 is 72, 8 1 is 8. So 109, 8 times is going to cancel. Therefore, the value of 8 square plus L square equal to 8. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. We'll move on to another question. The next question. Let x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a is greater than b. Be an ellipse whose eccentricity is 1 by root 2 and the length of latest rectum is root 14. Then the square of eccentricity of x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. The question is related to not only ellipse but also hyperbola. First, for this ellipse, eccentricity value is given. A is greater than b means standard equation of ellipse. So, eccentricity E is equal to 1 by root 2 is given. What is the formula for eccentricity? Root of a square minus b square by a square equal to 1 by root 2. Squaring on both sides. A square minus b square by a square equal to 1 by 2. A square by a square 1 minus b square by a square equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 bring this side. 1 minus 1 by 2 equal to b square by a square. 1 by 2 equal to b square by a square. Cross multiply a square equal to 2b square. Okay, dear students, we got one condition. So next, length of latest rectum is equal to root 14. LLR is equal to root 14. What is the formula for LLR? 2b square by a is equal to root 14. 2b square value is what? A square. So a square by a is equal to root 14. A is equal to root 14. Squaring on both sides. A square equal to 14. Again a square value is what? 2b square equal to 14. B square equal to 7. B square value we got it. A square value also we got it. So this equation will becomes x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. For this eccentricity square of eccentricity. For this equation, this is the hyperbola. It is hyperbola. For this eccentricity, E is equal to root of a square plus b square by a square, which is equal to root over 14 plus 7 divided by 14. That is equal to root over 21 by 14. So root over 3 sevens, 7 threes, 7 twos. Even square of eccentricity, squaring on both sides. E square equal to 3 by 2. So square of eccentricity of the hyperbola is 3 by 2. It is there in the second option, dear students. We'll move on to the another question. The next question, dear students. Let P be a point on the ellipse x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1. Let the line passing through the point P and parallel to y axis meet the circle at the point Q such that P and Q are on same side of x-axis, then the eccentricity of the locus of the point R on PQ such that PR is to RQ is equal to 4 is to 3. As P moves on the ellipse is, so indirectly they are asking the locus will become ellipse eccentricity they are asking, dear students, ultimately. So we need to find the locus. So first to draw the rough figure of the given information. P be a point on the ellipse. So this is the ellipse equation, ellipse figure. Okay. P be a point on the ellipse. Here this point is P. What is the general point on the ellipse? A cos theta, B sin theta. So here x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1. A equal to 3, B equal to 2. So A cos theta means 3 cos theta, B sin theta. So 2 sin theta. So this is x1, y1. Okay. Next, let the line passing through the point P and parallel to y-axis. So this is the parallel to y-axis itself. I hope you understand that, dear students. And meet the circle x squared plus y squared equal to 9. So the circle will be like this, dear students. This is the circle. At the point Q. So ellipse equation is like this. Okay. Center, this not exactly this one. Center 0, 0 no, for the circle equation. X square plus y square equal to 9 is given. So center is 0, 0. The circle, the line which is a circle meets at the point Q such that here point. This point is 3 sin theta, 3 cos theta, comma 3 sin theta. What is the parametric point on the circle? For x square plus y square equal to r square, general point is P of theta, A cos theta, comma B sin theta, dear students. Okay. A cos theta, B sin theta. So A value R is equal to 3 here. So it will become 3 cos theta, comma 3 sin theta. This is x2, y2. P and Q are same side of the x-axis, then the eccentricity of the locus of the point R on PQ. Here on PQ, one R I am taking, here it is taking the point is h comma k, which divides in the ratio PR is to QR is in the ratio 4 is to 3. Just roughly I am drawing, dear students. PR 3 cos theta, comma 2 sin theta, x1, y1, q of 3 cos theta, comma 3 sin theta, x2, y2. Here R of h comma k is there in the ratio of 4 is to 3. PR ratio is 4, RQ ratio is 3. This is M, this is N. mx2 plus mx1 by m plus n formula only, no? H comma k. So PR is to RQ equal to 4 is to 3, dear students. That's why I wrote here like this. So mx2 plus mx1. So 4 into 3, 12. 12 cos theta plus mx2 plus mx1. 3 into 3, 9. 9 cos theta divided by m plus n, 4 plus 3 is 7. m by 2, 4 into 3, 12 sin theta, plus 3 into 2, 6 sin theta, divided by 4 plus 3 again 7. So h comma k is equal to 12 plus 9, 21 cos theta divided by 7, comma 18 sin theta divided by 7. So 21, 7 times 7 3 is 21. So h comma k is equal to 3 cos theta, comma 18 by 7 sin theta. Equating x coordinate, equating y coordinates. So what we are going to get is h is equal to 3 cos theta, h by 3 is equal to cos theta. Similarly, y coordinates, k equal to 18 by 7 sin theta. So now k by 18 by 7 is equal to sin theta. The relation between sin and cos, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So which is equal to h square by 9 plus k square by 18 by 7 whole square is equal to 1. Locus of R, locus of h comma k is x square by 9 plus y square by 18 by 7 whole square, otherwise 324 by 49 equal to 1, is an ellipse. An ellipse. What is the eccentricity of the ellipse? Eccentricity, root of a square minus b square by a square. So which is equal to a square means 9 minus 324 by 49 divided by 9. So which is equal to square root of 49 into 9, 36 plus 8, 44. So 321 we can 324. So 117 divided by 49 into 9. So 9 ones, 9 13s. So which is equal to root 13 divided by root 49, which is equal to root 13 divided by root 49 is 7. Therefore, the eccentricity E equal to root 13 divided by 7. Okay, dear students, this is the eccentricity. It is there in the third option, dear students. We move on to another question. I hope you understand. The next question, dear students. The length of the chord of the ellipse x squared by 25 plus y squared by 16 equal to 1, whose midpoint is 1 comma 2 by 5 is equal to. Given s equal to x squared by 25 plus y squared by 16 equal to 1, midpoint of chord, given point 1 comma 2 by 5 equal to x1 y1. Midpoint of chord formula. Midpoint of chord. S1 equal to S double 1. S1 equal to S double 1, that implies xx1 by 25 plus y1 by 16 is equal to, anyway 1 get cancelled, students, both sides. S11 means x1 square by 25 plus y1 square by 16. In place of x1 y1 you have to replace with 1 comma 2 by 5. So it will becomes x by 25 plus, in place of y1, 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 means 2 ones, 2 5s. So can I write directly? 2 by 5 means 2 ones are 2 8s are 8 into 5, 40 is equal to x1 value is 1 by 25 plus y1 squared. So 2 by 5 whole square means 4 by 25. So 4 ones, so 4 fours. 25 into 4, 100. Check dear students. Y1 square means 2 by 5 whole square. 2 square by 25. 2 square means 4. 4 fours. 1 by 25. So which is equal to x by 25 plus y by 40 is equal to 100 is the LCM. 25 fours plus 1. So 5 by 100 which is equal to 1 by 20. Okay dear students. Now x by 25 plus y by 40 equal to 1 by 20. Either x in terms of y or y in terms of x. So y makes subject. X by 25 plus y by 40 is equal to 1 by 20. From that, y by 40 is equal to 1 by 20 minus x by 25. So y by 40 equal to, for this LCM, 20 and 25 LCM is what? 100 is the LCM dear students. So to 25s, 25 fours for x. Here 0 get cancelled. Y equal to even 2 2s, 2 5s. So y equal to 10 minus 8x divided by 5. This is the value of y. This y value substitute in the given curve. So it will becomes this value substitute in x square by 25 plus y square means 10 minus 8x whole square by 5 square is 25 into 16 is equal to 1. Here 25, here 25, take out common and we'll take the LCM. X square plus 10 minus 8x whole square, 100. Otherwise, better to do 10 minus 8x whole square divided by 16 is equal to 25. Now cross multiply these students. 16x square plus 100 plus 64x square. Next minus 2 into 8, 16. So 160x is equal to 25 into 16, that is equal to 400. 16 5s are 80, 16 2s are 32 plus 8 for 400. So 64x square plus 16x, 80x square minus 160x plus 100. So that 400 bring here 80x square minus 160x minus 300 equal to 0. All are multiples of 10. So dividing by 10, 8x square minus 16x minus 30 equal to 0. So factorization, even to dividing by 2 also we can do dear students. Dividing by 2. So 2 4s are, 2 8s are, 2 15s. So it's a quadratic equation in terms of x. So minus b plus or minus x equal to, minus b means minus of minus 8. Root over 64 minus 4 into a value 4, c value minus 15 divided by 2 into a. So you will get x equal to 8 plus or minus root over 64 plus 16, 15 for the 60, 16 to 4, 240 divided by 8, 2 into 4, 8. So which is equal to x equal to 8 plus or minus root over, how much we are going to get by here? It is 240, 64, 304 no? So 240, 64, that only will come. I want multiples of 16, 2 anyway it won't come. 16, 1, 16, it will be 14, 144 means 16, 9s are 144. So 16 into 19 it goes. So 16 will bring outside of the root, it will become as 4 root 19 divided by 8. Take 4 common, 2 plus or minus 2 plus or minus root 19 divided by 8. So x values 2 plus or minus root 19 divided by 2. If you take one x value is 2 by 2 means 1 plus root 19 by 2. Another x value 1 minus root 19 by 2. Now we will go for y values, dear students. After this is x1, this is y1. We will go for y1 values. This is y value, no? If x equal to 1 plus root 19 by 2, then y equal to, so y value. Here y equal to 10 by 5 means 2 only, no? Minus 8 by 5 into x. X value is I am writing. 1 plus root 19 divided by 2. So 2 minus 8 by 5. Here 2 4s are, so minus 4 root 19 divided by 5. Okay. 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 8 is to 2 by 5. Minus 4 root 19 divided by 5, this is the value of y. Therefore, a point is 1 plus root 19 divided by 2, comma 2 by 5, comma minus 4 root 19 by 5. x1, y1. Similarly, if x equal to 1 minus root 19 by 2, then y equal to 2 minus 8 by 5. 1 minus root 19 by 2, that is equal to 2 minus 8 by 5 plus 4 root 19 divided by 5. It comes again, if I do the 10, 10 minus 8 is to 2 by 5 plus 4 root 19 divided by 5. Therefore, b value equal to 1 plus 1 minus, dear students. 1 minus root 19 by 2, comma 2 by 5 minus 4 root plus 4 root 19 by 5. This is x to y2. The distance between A and B they are asking. Length of midpoint of chord. Chord ends we got it x1, y1, x2, y2. So AB equal to. So root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square. These two values. So 1 minus root 19 by 2 minus 1 minus root 19 by 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 2 by 5 plus root 4 root 19 by 5 minus 2 by 5 plus 4 root 19 by 5 whole square. So here minus 1% get cancelled. Minus root 19 by 2 minus root 19 by 2 minus 2 root 19 by 2 to get cancelled. Root 19 by 2 whole square is equal to 19 plus minus 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 get cancelled. 4 root 5 by 18 plus 4 root 5, 2 times. So 8 by 5 root 19 whole square, it will becomes 2 into 4, 8 now. 8 by 5 root 19 whole square, which is equal to root over 19 plus 64 by 25 into 19. So root over 19 take out common, 1 plus 64 by 25 will come. That is equal to root over 19 into 25 plus 64, 25, 89. So 89 divided by 25. So root of 19 into 89 is equal to, divided by root 25 is 5. Root over 1691 will come, that is equal to root 1691 by 5. This is the required answer, dear students. C is the required answer. 89 into 9. Once check, dear students. 89 into 19. Yeah, absolutely 1691. We got it. So the length of midpoint of chord AB is equal to root over 1691 by 5. I hope you understand. Slowly you can do it. We'll move on to the another question. Yeah, the next question. If the length of minor axis of an ellipse is equal to half of the distance between the foci, then the eccentricity of the ellipse is. Here is a very simple question. Within 1 minute we will complete it. If the length of the minor axis is what? BB dash is equal to half of distance between foci. So length of minor axis. So only OB dash or OB we can take, dear students, here. Minor axis, length of minor axis. So B equal to, length of minor axis is completely BB dash only. Next, 2B equal to half into 2AE. 2 to get cancelled, 2B equal to AE. Squaring on both sides. Yeah, squaring on both sides. 2b whole square is 4b square equal to a square e square. We know that b square value equal to a square into 1 minus e square. That also can be written as a square minus a square e square. Okay. Now, for in place of b square, I am going to replace with this. A square into 1 minus e square is equal to a square e square. Here a square get cancelled. Now 4 into 1 minus 4 e square is equal to e square. 4 equal to e square plus 4 e square. 4 equal to 5 e square. 4 by 5 equal to e square. E equal to root of 4 by 5, that is equal to 2 by root 5. Therefore, the eccentricity of the ellipse is 2 by root 5. It is there in the second option, dear students. We'll move on to another question. Yeah, the next question, dear students. Let A of alpha comma 0 and B of 0 comma beta be the points on the line 5x plus 7y equal to 50. Let the point P divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio 7:3. Let 3x minus 25 equal to 0 be the directrix of the ellipse and the corresponding focus be S. If from S the perpendicular on x-axis, that means perpendicular to x-axis, passes through the point P, then the length of lattice rectum of the ellipse is. See here, first these 2 points lie on the x-axis. A of alpha comma 0 lies on 5x plus 7y equal to 50. Then in place of x and y substitute alpha and 0. Then 5 alpha equal to 50, that implies alpha equal to 10. Similarly, beta, the b of 0 comma beta lies on 5x plus 7y equal to 50. Then x equal to 0, so 7 beta is equal to 50. That implies beta equal to 50 by 7. Alpha beta value, we got it, dear students. Let the point P divides line segment. So this is the way you can do that. A of alpha comma 0, B of 0 comma beta. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. So let P means any point. So P point I am taking here, x comma y, which divides in the ratio of 7:3 internally. So P of x comma y equal to, this is m, this is n, mx2 plus mx1 formula internally, 7 into 0 plus 3 into alpha divided by 7 plus 3. Next 7 into beta plus 0 divided by 10, which is equal to 3 by 10 into alpha value, here 10, Next 7 by 10 into beta value 50 by 7. So here 7 7 cancel, 10 ones, 10 fives, 10 10 cancel, so 3 comma 5. So the point P of x comma y is equal to P of 3 comma 5. Okay. Next come to the question. Let 3x minus 25 equal to 0 be the directrix. Next, x minus 25, 3x minus 25 equal to 0 be the directrix of the ellipse. Ellipse capital E. So 3x minus 25 means 3x is equal to 25. So x equal to 25 by 3. Generally, the equation of directrix of the ellipse is x is equal to a by e form, dear students. So from this comparison, a by e is equal to 25 by 3. Keep in mind and put it in the box. This value we will use in the coming steps. Next, and corresponding focus bs and the directrix of the ellipse and the corresponding focus from S is perpendicular to x-axis. So this is the ellipse equation. This is x-axis. So here we got x is equal to a by e, x is equal to 25 by 3 means the line which is parallel to y-axis, which is x is equal to 25 by 3, dear students. Directric equation it is. Next is the center. This is focus. The corresponding focus BS is from S the perpendicular on x-axis. From S perpendicular. It is perpendicular to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. It is in the form of x is equal to k. What is this, dear students? Focus means s of a comma 0 only, no? This line is passing through which point? 3 comma 5 they said. This point 3 comma 5. So x is equal to k line passing through three comma 5. Therefore, x is equal to k implies 3 is equal to k. K is equal to 3, substitute in this, x is equal to 3 will come. The meaning of x is equal to 3 is the point S will becomes 3 comma 0. But S means what? Foci. AE comma 0, dear students. Foci. Yes. So again equating these two. AE is equal to 3. Here we got A by E value and here we got AE value. From these two, A by E into AE is equal to 25 by 3 into 3. Here 3 get cancelled, here EE get cancelled. A square equal to 25. So then A equal to 5. So now after getting that A value and AE value, we can find out what they are asking to find. Length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum is 2b square by A. So A and AE value we know that. So B value equal to B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square. So B square equal to A square means 25 minus E square. E value how much? From this we can find out, dear students, E value. Directly we can write like this now. A square minus AE whole square. A square value 25. AE value how much? 3 square. So 25 minus 9, that is equal to 16. So B square 16 means B is what? 4. So length of lattice rectum LLR equal to 2B square by A. That is equal to 2 into 16 divided by A value how much? 5. So that is equal to 32 by 5, dear students. It is there in the 32 by 5 is there in the fourth option. We will move on to another question. These questions they asked in 2024 JEE mains in the sessions of January and April, dear students. Different shift questions I'm giving for you those who are appearing for the JMNs 2025. It may help you these type of problems. So you can practice in this way. The next question. Let P be the parabola with vertex 2, 3 and directrix 2x plus y equal to 6. Let an ellipse E x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 when a is greater than b of eccentricity 1 by root 2 pass through the focus of the parabola P, then the square of the length of the lattice rectum of ellipse is, they are asking. So first we need to draw the figure to understand the given question. Let the parabola this is the vertex of the parabola, dear students. Vertex of the parabola is given as a of 2, 3. This is the focus of the parabola. This is the directrix. What is the equation of directrix is given? 2x plus y is equal to 6. This point is known as Z, point of intersection of axis of the parabola, which is axis, and directrix is equal to Z. We can calculate Z value by taking the help of directrix. The equation of, so what is the slope of this line? Slope m equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient. AS line is perpendicular to directrix. AS is perpendicular to 2x plus y equal to 6. That implies slope of AS equation equal to minus 1 by m, minus 1 by minus 2, so 1 by 2. So AS equation slope is 1 by 2 passing through a point. The equation of AS passing through a of 2, 3 with slope 1 by 2 is y minus, this is x1, this is y1, dear students. Y minus y1 equal to m into, slope is m, 1 by 2 into x minus, this slope is different, dear students. This slope is directrix, but I want to calculate axis. So x minus 2 cross multiply 2y minus 6 equal to x minus 2. That implies x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. These values bring that side. X minus 2y plus 6 will come. Plus 6 minus 2 is plus 4. This equation and the given equation we have to solve it. 2x plus y equal to 6 and x minus 2y equal to minus 4. We need to solve these equations. This equation multiplying by x, 2x minus 4y equal to minus 8. So this equation and this equation we are solving. When you subtract equations, here minus, here plus will come. Plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. Y plus 4y is 5y is equal to 8 plus 6 is 14. Y is equal to 14 by 5. So y value substitute either in this equation or in this equation. So y equal to 6 minus 2x. Y equal to 6 minus 2 into 14 by 5. 5 6 are 30. 30 minus 28. 2 by 5. So y value, not y value, dear students. I want x value, no. Y value we got it here from here. So from here 2x equal to 6 minus y. So 2x equal to 6 minus 14 by 5. So 2x equal to 5 6 are 30. 30 minus 14, 16 by 5. X is equal to 2 ones, 2 8s, 8 by 5. So what is x comma y? The point of intersection here, z. This is x, this is y. So 8 by 5 comma 14 by 5. What is the need to calculate, sir, this one? I want to get the focus of the parabola. The ellipse is passing through. The question we need to understand thoroughly, dear students. The ellipse equation is passing through. This is equation of ellipse. Ellipse equation E equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. That equation we are calculating, dear students. So, S value we need to calculate. A is the midpoint of SZ. So, can you see here from here? A is midpoint of SZ. Let us assume that this is alpha and beta. So 2 comma 3 is equal to midpoint means 8 plus 5 plus alpha, 8 by 5 plus alpha by 2, 14 by 5 plus beta divided by 2. Equating these two. So step by step we will do it. After taking LCM, 2 to the 4 no anyway. So 4 equal to 8 plus 5 alpha divided by 5. So 20 minus 8 equal to 5 alpha. 12 by 5 is equal to alpha. Similarly, equating 3 to the 6. 6 is equal to 14 plus 5 beta divided by 5. 5 6 is 30 equal to 14 plus 5 beta. 30 minus 14, 16. 16 equal to 5 beta. So beta equal to 16 by 5. So alpha beta values we got it. 12 by 5, 16 by 5. This ellipse is passing through 12 by 5 comma 16 by 5. In place of x, 12 by 5. In place of y, 16 by 5. Is passing through 12 by 5 comma 16 by 5. X, y. In place of x and y, substitute, dear students. So what will come here? 12 by 5 whole square means 144 divided by a square into 25 plus y square means 16 square, 256. 256 by 25 into b square equal to 1. Here one information is given. Eccentricity is 1 by root 2. Again twist is there. So what is the twist is? B square equal to a square into 1 minus e square only, no? E value how much it is given? 1 by root 2. So a square into 1 minus 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is what? 1 by 2. So a square by 2 equal to b square. So 2b square is equal to a square. We can apply this condition, dear students. Wherever a square will become 2b square. So now, in place of a square, replace with 2b square. 144 divided by 2b square into 25 plus 256 divided by 25b square equal to 1. 2 ones, 272s. So in both terms, 25b square take LCM, 72 plus 256. What comes here? 26 plus 328 is equal to 25b square. So 328 by 25 is equal to b square. We got b square value, dear students. Whenever b square is there, a square also will come. So since a square equal to 2b square, so 2 into 328 by 25. So which is equal to 656 divided by 25. This is about a square value. But they are asking length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum of the eccentricity. So therefore, length of lattice rectum. Whenever a is greater than b, obviously 2b square by a. What is 2b square? 2b square means a square only, no. 2b square means what? A square by a. A get cancelled. A. From this, dear students. The square of, very good. The square of length of lattice rectum. So length of lattice rectum, we got it as by simplifying here, it is a. The squaring on both sides. Length of lattice rectum whole square is equal to a square. What is a square value? We got it. that is equal to 656 divided by 25. It is there in the first option, dear students. I hope everyone understand slowly, and you can understand first the question by reading twice or thrice the question. According to that, draw the rough figure and get the information. Through the information, you get the your target, your aim. I hope everyone understand, dear students. This is JEE Mains 2024 in the concept of ellipse in the sessions of January as well as April. In the coming days, I will provide other topics also. January and April parabola and ellipse also I am going to provide in the coming days. Those who are watching first time our channel, please do subscribe. First like this video and share to your friends. Thank you, dear students. Jai Hind, Maths with Panindra.